Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Elise. Welcome back. I hope that you guys are all doing well. I'm back with a new wig video. So I have a new wig from Unice and they can be found on Amazon Prime. I will have all the links, information, and details located in the info section below, so be sure to check that out. So here's everything that I received with my wig, and here is the wig that I picked up. I have this new 6x4 3/4 pre-cut wear and go high definition lace wig. This wig is in that gorgeous water wave texture, and my wig is 24 inches long. Y'all get this, it already has a pre-plucked hairline, pre-bleached knots, and baby hairs. Y'all don't have to do nothing with this wig at all but throw it on and go. I will be doing something to it because I'm just like weird like that. Y'all forgive me, but this is what the wig looks like. It has like that air wig cap, so it's perfect for the summer. It has that removable adjustable bands and that silicone backing so that everything lays nice and flat and looks super realistic. Y'all, let's go ahead and get into this wig. I like to go ahead and put the wig on just to let you guys see exactly how I received this wig and to kind of look at it to figure out if I need to do anything to it. Now, nothing needs to be done. However, I will be bleaching the knots, lightly bleaching the knots. The knots on this wig are bleached, but it's lightly bleached, and I'm just going to take it a step further, and it already has the laid baby hairs. Y'all can just literally get this out the mailbox and just throw it right on, but I'ma do something to it. Y'all just wait and see. Okay, so I'm starting off with my BW2 powder and my 30 volume developer. I applied that to the knots, and I'm just gonna let that sit on the hair for about 10 minutes, no more than that. Then I'm gonna shampoo and condition using my silicone mix shampoo and conditioner. So now that I've bleached my knots and I shampoo and condition the hair, I'm now going to work on the baby hairs. Now the baby hairs are fine, they're good to go. However, they're just a little bit too thick for my liking, so I'm going to kind of tone those down just a bit. So I'm just going to take a pair of tweezers and just tweeze out some of the hairs just to kind of thin them out a little bit. They were just too thick and they look like curtains, so I'm just going to fix those up. I'm now applying a little bit of my Wet Line Extreme Gel. Just going to go ahead and get everything smoothed down. Now I'm going to go ahead and relay my baby hairs. Okay, so I let my wig sit and air dry overnight. It did have a slight cast on it, but if you just kind of run your fingers through it, you can go ahead and soften that up just a bit. So this is what the perimeter now looks like. You notice how the baby hairs are more subtle, even though I know a lot of y'all don't like it, but they're a lot more subtle and not too harsh in my opinion. So now I'm going in with a little bit of my liquid foundation. I'm applying that all over the lace just to where we can get a nice even match. Then I'm going to go ahead and adjust my adjustable bands to where I can get a nice custom fit, because I do not plan on gluing this wig down. This is a glueless wig, so make sure that you use your adjustable strap in order to get a nice comfortable fit. So now I'm going to go ahead and put the wig on and let's see what we're working with. Now, do you guys see how this wig just comes together? Like, you just literally throw it on and go. You don't have to do the extra things. But I mean, if you want to make it look special, like what I did, then you can kind of go above and beyond. But it's so unnecessary. It just kind of comes together right out of the pack. Now, I'm going to add a little bit of powder to the parting space. And then I'm going to take my quick cover concealer stick in black and just go over the areas where I may have over bleached. Now, you do probably notice that the lace is still a tad bit too light, so I'm going to go in with my Eben tinted lace spray and just kind of spray that over there just to kind of tone that down just a bit. And y'all, we are ready to go. You guys, this is what this wig is looking like. It is so cute, so gorgeous, and for this to be an Amazon Prime wig, y'all need to get your hands on this right here because it's definitely giving wear and go. I got 2 seconds. I got to be out the door. Let me just go ahead and get this wig, throw it on, and go. But for the most part, this is what this wig is looking like. Y'all check out Unice. They are available on Amazon Prime. I will have all the details, information, and links provided in the info section below. Y'all, this hair is so soft, and I kind of wanted to curl it just a bit, but y'all, these waves is just giving life. And y'all can't tell me that it doesn't look good. It looks so good, and this is like the perfect summer / fall vacation hair. Y'all, it's not glued down or anything like that. It's a glueless wig, literally wear and go out the door. But once again, this wig does come from Unice. Everything will be left down below. Y'all let me know what you guys think about this one because I am definitely feeling it. It's so soft. Y'all look at where it falls on me. This is a 24-inch wig and it's like falling like past my hips. It's as if this wig is a whole lot longer than what it really is, and for the texture, it's just giving like y'all definitely are getting your money's worth. But y'all let me know what you guys think about this one, and I'll talk to you guys on the next video. Bye guys.